Welcome back to Technology in the Future. In today's video, we're exploring some exciting leaks about the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro. A newly leaked promotional image has surfaced, revealing some significant upgrades, and we're here to break down everything we know so far. Not only does this new drone maintain the crucial sub-250 weight category, but it also introduces several next-gen features that could revolutionize the drone landscape. Let's dive into the details. One of the most thrilling upgrades is the rumored 1-inch camera sensor. If these leaks hold true, this would be a major step up from the Mini 4 Pro's 1.3-inch sensor. A larger sensor generally results in improved image quality, enhanced low-light performance, and more vivid colors. This will be a game-changer for drone photographers and videographers aiming for sharper, more detailed shots. The larger sensor also brings better dynamic range, offering users more flexibility in post-production. But that's not all. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature a redesigned gimbal system, introducing a vertical shooting mode. This makes the drone an even better choice for social media content creators. Vertical shooting will allow you to capture portrait-style footage directly from the camera, eliminating the need for cropping or post-editing. This streamlined workflow makes the content creation process much smoother. On top of that, the camera is rumored to tilt upwards, unlocking creative possibilities like capturing aerial views of tall buildings or unique angles that were previously unattainable with the Mini series. Another exciting feature is the LAR obstacle avoidance technology. DJI appears to have taken it to the next level, with dual front-facing wide-angle sensors and inward-facing black sensors. This enhanced object detection and navigation system will make flying safer, especially in low light or confined spaces. This is especially beneficial for users looking to improve their flight autonomy. In terms of flight performance, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to impress. With a rumored flight range of 25 kilometers and up to 50 minutes of battery life, this drone will offer a massive improvement over its predecessor. The increased flight time means fewer battery swaps and more uninterrupted flights, allowing you to capture stunning shots without interruption. The upgraded stability ensures that the drone remains steady even during extended flights. One of the more intriguing features is built-in audio recording. While most drones don't capture audio, this could be a breakthrough for vloggers and content creators who want to add live narration or ambient sounds to their footage without additional equipment. While external audio will still be necessary for professional quality sound, this built-in feature will be a game-changer for casual creators looking to enhance their content. On the landing front, DJI has also made smart improvements for smoother landings, even in low-light settings. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to come with precision landing sensors and an LED ground illumination system, making nighttime flights and landings safer and more accurate. Additionally, the design of the drone has been slightly tweaked to improve overall stability. The Mini 5 Pro features redesigned front arms and a more robust main body, offering both enhanced durability and better flight performance compared to the Mini 4 Pro. As if that weren't enough, DJI seems to have incorporated more AI-powered features into the Mini 5 Pro. This includes better subject tracking and automated cinematic modes that will make capturing breathtaking shots much easier. Whether you're flying for personal content, travel videos, or professional photography, these features are designed to make your flight experience smoother and more intuitive. The inclusion of intelligent flight modes and improved camera mobility will help you capture cinematic shots with minimal effort. Despite all these advanced upgrades, DJI has managed to keep the Mini 5 Pro under the 250 mark, ensuring it remains free from many regulatory restrictions. In several regions, including the US, drones weighing less than 250 dollars don't require registration, making it a fantastic option for both hobbyists and professionals looking for an easy, stress-free flying experience. Although DJI hasn't yet confirmed the price, insiders predict that the Mini 5 Pro will likely cost more than its predecessor, thanks to the enhanced hardware and new features. The inclusion of the 1-inch sensor, vertical shooting, advanced AI features, and improved performance could justify a higher price tag. Overall, the DJI Mini 5 Pro looks to be one of the most advanced drones in the Mini series yet, combining portability, performance, and cutting-edge technology that will appeal to content creators, vloggers, and drone enthusiasts alike. With features like portrait-style footage, enhanced obstacle avoidance, and an upgraded camera system, this drone is a strong contender for anyone looking to elevate their aerial footage. As we await the official announcement, the excitement is building. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, DJI might just redefine the ultralight drone market with the Mini 5 Pro. What do you think of these rumored features? Are they enough to make you consider an upgrade? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to subscribe to Technology in the Future for the latest tech news and updates.